For next question, it's given that a block of mass 10 kg sliding on the surface inclined at an angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal. If the coefficient of friction between the block and the surface is 0.5, we have to find the extension used in the block. So let this be an inclined surface, and the angle of inclination is 30 degree. Body of mass 10 kg is sliding. Okay, this is sliding. Force of friction will be acting vertically upwards, weight vertically downwards. These are the horizontal components of the weight, which is balanced by the normal direction R. So this is the normal direction R. This is the weight which is acting vertically downward. This is angle 30 degree, and this is the horizontal component of the weight mg cos theta. This is mg sine theta. Force of friction is in upward direction as the weight sliding downwards. We have to find the acceleration produced in the blocks. So now the horizontal component R is balanced by, so the normal direction R is balanced by the horizontal component, and because the block is sliding vertically downwards, so sorry, sliding on this inclined plane. So that means mg sine theta is more than the force, maximum force of friction, and this is the net force acting on the. Okay, now mg sine theta. Now the force of friction, we know that coefficient of static friction is given by the force of friction divided by the friction R to give us the force of the friction into coefficient of friction into R. So instead of this, we can write mu into R, and the force is mass into acceleration. Okay, now this is mg sine theta, and this is coefficient of friction. R is mg cos theta, that is equal to m into a. And in this case, m into g is common, so mg is common, and this is sine theta. Coefficient of friction into cos theta is equal to full net accelerating force when m gets cancelled. So this will give us the acceleration. G is 9.8. Sine theta is 30 degree. Coefficient of friction is 0.5. It's cos 30 degree. That should give us the acceleration. Now let's replace the values. Sine 30 is half. This is 0.5. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Okay, this is now 9.8. And if we take 2 as LCM, this is minus value of root 3 is 1.732. Okay, now 2 gets cancelled. This is 4.9. So acceleration is 4.9 into 1 minus this 0.5 into 1.732. So 0.5 into 1.732 should give us 0.866. So this is 0.866. And now let's multiply 4.9 into 1 minus 0.866 is 0.314. So this is 0.134, which shall give us the acceleration. And if you multiply this, so that is 4.9 multiplied with 0.134, that should give us 0.6566. 0.6566 is the acceleration, and let's round it off to significant figure. 0.67 meter per second square is the acceleration produced in the on this inclined plane. Thank you for watching.